So children, coming to the work numericals, work, power, energy. Okay, so in work, power, and energy, I was doing some numericals, isn't it, children? So in energy, I was discussing about kinetic energy and potential energy, children. If everybody remember, I was discussing kinetic energy and potential energy. Especially kinetic energy, the formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. The formula for kinetic energy is half mv square. So children, on this, some questions are coming like this, children. Example, find change in kinetic energy. Find change in kinetic energy. If velocity of body is double, this is the question. Find change in kinetic energy if velocity of the body is double. Find change in kinetic energy if velocity of the body is double. Okay, children. So how to do? I will say, children. Original velocity is v. Second velocity is 2v. Double. Mass is same. In both the cases, mass is same. So, children, K1 is equal to half M1 V1 square. K2 is equal to half M2 V2 square. But half of cancel. They did not talk about the mass. If they did not talk about the mass cancel. So K1 by K2 is equal to, what is the original velocity, children? V
M
square.
V
What is
square
final
V
velocity,
square.
children?
2
2V, sir.
2v whole
2V
square.
whole
2v
square.
whole square. So children, K1 by K2 is equal to V square by 4V square. V square cancel.
answer.
So K1 by K2 is equal to 1 by 4. K2 comes here, 4 goes there. K2 is equal to 4K1. So what is happening to kinetic energy? Can anyone tell me the statement? Can anyone tell me the statement? Kinetic energy? Can anyone tell me the statement? Kinetic energy increases by 4 times.
4 times.
Kinetic energy increases 4 into means times, plus means more, into means times, plus means more. Kinetic energy becomes 4 times the original. Kinetic energy becomes 4 times the original. Like this, yeah. Those who did not understand this question original, the same question, I will ask one more. Find change in kinetic energy if mass is double and velocity is tripled. Mass is doubled, velocity is tripled. Okay, so Varsha, can you tell how to do this one? Snigdha, can you tell how to do this one? Hansika,
Sir, if mass is doubled, sir.
mass is double. You tell Neeraj, mass is double. Original mass
Okay,
is
sir.
m. Second mass is m.
2m. Yes,
Velocity
sir.
is
When
original velocity is v. Change in velocity is
3v, sir.
3v. Now how to do? K1 by
Sir,
K2 is equal
K1 by
to
K2 is equal to mv by
half
half
m1
mv
v1 square by
half 2m. Sir,
m2 v2 square. Half m2 v2 square. So tell me
half of
K1 by
cancel. So
K2 is
K1 by
equal
K2
to
is equal to first mass
m,
m
second mass 2m.
2m, sir.
First velocity v
V, sir.
square, second
V square
velocity
by 3v square, sir. Whole
3v
square.
whole square. So K1 by K2 is equal to mm cancel 1 by 2 into v square by 9v
9v
square.
square. V
V
square is
square cancel.
cancel.
K1 by K2 is equal to
1 by 18. So K2 is equal to 18, sir.
this comes in like this. So K2 is equal to 18 K1. Can you tell me
Sir,
the statement?
the kinetic energy is increased by 18 times.
18 times. Kinetic energy is increasing by 18 times the original. 18 times the original. Kinetic energy is increasing 18 times the original. Kinetic energy is increasing by 18 times the original. Like this one. One more question. Find change in kinetic energy if if mass is half and velocity is made 1 by 4 times original. Who will tell this question?
Sir, can I say?
Yeah, Varsha, tell. Original mass is m. Yeah, who want to say?
Yashasvi, sir.
Yashasvi, sorry, Yashasvi, tell now.
So original mass is m, and
Change in mass is?
change
M
in
by
mass is m by 2.
2. Original velocity is?
V,
Very
and
good.
change in velocity is v by 4.
Fantastic. Tell me now.
So k1 by k2 is equals to half m1 v1 square by half m2 v2 square,
Okay.
which is k1 by half cancel, which is k1 by k2 is equals to
M1, what we can write M1? M.
m into
And
v square by
by?
m by 2 into v by 4 whole square
Shabash. Come on.
is equals to mv square by m2 into v square 16, v square by 16,
Yes.
which is
16 to the 32 goes up.
32. Yes, sir. So k1 by k2 is equals to 32 by 1.
K2 goes up, 32 comes down.
So k2 is equals to k1 by 32.
What does it mean? K2 is equal to?
1 by 32 into k1.
So how do you say, tell the statement? Kinetic energy is becoming 1 by 32 times the original.
The original.
Can you tell? Can you tell the repeat the statement?
Kinetic energy is becoming 1 by 32 times the original.
1 by 32. Is it increasing or decreasing, Nana?
Increasing, sir.
Decreasing. This is increasing.
Oh, sorry, decreasing. Yes, sir.
This is increasing. This is decreasing.
Yes.
Kinetic energy is becoming 1 by 2, 1 by 32 times the original. 1 by 32 times the original means it is decreasing tremendously.
Yes, sir.
Next. Find change in kinetic energy if momentum is double for the same body. If the momentum is doubled, how much kinetic energy will change? If
Can I say?
yeah, Nanika, sir. What is
Kinetic
the relation? First relation.
Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m.
Kinetic energy is equal to P square by 2m. Now tell me.
Kinetic original momentum is P. Change in momentum is 2p.
Okay.
Original mass does not change. K1 by K2 is equal to
P1
P
square by
square by 2m
1
by 2m by P2 square by
P2 square by
2m2.
2m2. But 2m1, 2m2 cancel because mass it is on top only. So
K1 by
K2
K2 is equal P1 square by P2 square.
Okay.
K1 by K2 is equal to
Okay.
P square by 2p square, 2p whole square.
Okay.
K1 by K2 is equal to P square by 4p square. P square,
Okay.
P square cancel. K2 is equal to 4 times K1
1 by 4. So this goes here. So K2 is equal to 4K1.
times
So
K1.
what does it mean? Kinetic energy is
Kinetic
becoming?
energy is becoming 4 times the original.
Kinetic energy is becoming 4 times the original. So children like this. Now, like this only. Small twist I will give children. If you can tell, you tell children. Small twist in this sum. If velocity of body is made increased is increased by 25%, what is change in kinetic energy? Anyone? Can anyone tell? Yes, children? Anyone knows?
Sir, I cannot see the question properly. Can you tell?
If kinetic energy increases by 25, velocity is increased by 25%, kinetic energy increases by how much percent? Velocity is increased by 25%.
Sir, I'll try, sir.
Can I say?
Neeraj, try now. What a thing. Neeraj.
Velocity increased 25%.
Okay. You wait. Nandika, try.
Yes. Original velocity is V. Change in velocity is 25 by 100 V.
No, 25, Nana. Think, Nana. Kinetic energy increased by 25%. Think. energy increased by 25% means kinetic energy increased by 25% means
The velocity is increased by 25.
sorry, velocity. Now, suppose initially you have 100 rupees. Let me say initially you have 100 rupees. If you are, I gave 25% increase. Now, how much you will have?
75.
Hey, 125 rupees.
125, sir.
125 rupees you will have. 25% increase. If original velocity is v, what is v2? If original velocity is v,
Plus 120.
125 v1 by 100. 125 v1 by 100. No, sir, we didn't understand like this. Suppose if you say, I will try tell you to do like this also. Original velocity, if you imagine 100, final velocity will be 125. Am I correct or not, children?
Yes, sir.
No problem. You can take like that also if you have confusion. So K1 by K2 is equal to half M1 V1 square by half M2 V2 square. This all things gone, children. V1 is 100, V2 is 125 whole square. 25 fours are 25 fives are 16 by 25. So K1 by K2 is equal to 16 by 25. What does it mean, children? K2 is equal to 25 K1 by 16. Can anyone tell me the statement? Kinetic energy is becoming 25 by 16 times the original. Children, are you able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, we need to understand this. One more example I'll give children. Actually, what happens, children? Actually, if V is, imagine V, then your V1 is V means V2 should be 125 V1 by V by 100, children, 25% increase. Okay, no, sir, we are getting confused like that means take 100 and 125. Those who did not understand this sum, one more sum I will tell like this, children, because children in exam, how they are going to ask question, no one can tell children. Maybe in your school they may be asking easy questions, but these are the normal questions for the children, not tough questions. Find change in kinetic energy if mass is increased by 10% and velocity is increased by 20%. Original mass is 100 if you think. Next change in mass will be
120.
110. Original velocity is 100 if you think. Change in velocity
120.
120. Can anyone tell me the formula?
K1 by K2 is equal to half M1 V1 square by
K1 by K2 is equal to half M1 V1 square by half M2 V2 square. Half of
cancel.
cancel. M1 M2 100 by 110. V1 square 100 square. V2 square 120 square. 0 0 cancel. 10 by 11. Okay, children, this 0. Oh, okay. This I will not confuse each other. I want to write 100 by 120 whole square. So that easy I want to make it. 2 5s are 2 6s are. So 10 by 11 into 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. So K1 by K2 is equal to 250 by 11 into 36 is how much, children? 11 6 is 66, 11 3 is 36, 96. So this goes here, this goes here. K2 is equal to 396 by 250 times the original. K2 is 396 by 250 times the original. Children, are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Children,
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to? In this story, if you want one more twist, they'll ask, what is the percentage change in the kinetic energy here? What is the percentage change in the kinetic energy? What is the formula of percentage change? Percentage change formula, anyone? Percentage change formula, anyone? Percentage change, anyone formula?
Don't know, sir.
Percentage change formula, anyone?
Original kinetic energy minus change by 100. Change in kinetic energy by 100.
Change by original into 100. This is the formula for percentage change. Anytime percentage change, if you want, you have to use this formula. Change by original into 100. If it is increase, you put increase. If it is decrease, you put decrease. You'll get it. Those who did not understand, I will show you. Change is how much? Anyone? 396 is becoming 250. How much is the change?
396 minus 250.
How much is that? How much is that?
146.
146.
146 is the change. What is the original 250 and 396? What is the original?
396.
No, not 250. Downward is original. K2, this is K2, this is K1. 250 into 100. Okay, children? So 4 is 4, 6 are 24, 4 4 16, 17, 18, 4 is 4. 58.4% is the increase in kinetic energy. Okay, children, I know you and I'm confusing you people, children, but I'm not confusing children. I'm teaching you so much in depth about the subject, children. I'm not telling any alien subject, children. All those percentages you have already done in 8 classes. So much many sums you have done in 8 class, children. Percentages. So change is the 146. Original is 250 by into 100. Okay, no sir, we didn't understand. Can you give one more example? Then? Here, how much percentage increase can you tell children? Here, how much percentage? Here, how much percentage change is how much children? 25 is becoming 16. How much is the change?
9.
9. Original?
9 by 16 into 100.
16 into 100.
9 by 16 into 100. That is, children, 2 8s are, 2 15s are, 2 4s are, 2 25s are, 25 9s are, 225 by 4, 4 5s are, 24 6s are, 24, 56.25% increase. So anytime if ever anyone asks what is the percentage increase or decrease, use the formula change by original into 100, change by original into 100, change by original into 100. Like this you have to do, children. Anyone have any doubts, children, in this? Children, anyone have any doubts in this?
No, sir, understood.
Okay. We'll do maths. One second.